What is up, YouTube? Back at you with yet another YouTube video. Right now I'm playing Black Ops, but I did get my bumper, so that is at the paint shop right now. I am picking it up tomorrow, so let's get right popping and let's go straight to that. Yes sir, the bumper is on, guys. Right now you can't see it really, cause it's kind of like in the front. I don't know if you can see it, but I really doubt it. I didn't record when I went to the body shop because they were taking a little too long. Right now it was raining, but right now I'm about to go cut my bumper, so let's go do that. Yes sir. Alright, so right now I just got to my boy Peter's house. Drives this 3.8 Genesis. Yes sir. Football Talk 85 coming soon or what? Ooh. Nah, but we're finna cut my bumper right now. About right here.
Coming for your neck, bitch.
Coming from my neck, bitch. And just kidding. And I also did install the carbon fiber door handles, and I do have the Nismo bumper on now. You can kind of see it better here. But yeah, I'm finna get the hood soon. But yes sir, we're finna see how this cutout comes out. We got a Dremel from Walmart, and we finna see what that do. Alright, so we got it cleaned up, got the masking tape on it, and we're about to get to cutting. So wish me luck. Alright guys, so I think I let off on cutting the bumper, but I honestly love how it looks. I just don't like how I can see my bash bar, but I'm gonna paint it black or either take it off. I don't know. But this is the day after. Just got home from work, showered and shit, and look, let me show you how it looks, guys. I honestly fucking love it. And just for you guys, I'm finna do a cold start. Alright, come on. So yeah guys, I cut my bumper, got a Nismo bumper, carbon fiber door covers. Big surprise coming on the next video, but that is it is that to what it is for now. What the fuck did I just say? That's all there is for today on this video. The Nismo bumper, cut bumper, carbon fiber door handles. But big surprise coming, man. 70